Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will be seeing how to draw a Christmas tree in a very simple manner, and then we are going to color it. So let's get started.
Do like, subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends. Leave your thoughts in comment section below. Thank you.